Welcome back. This is the train channel. Excuse me. Welcome back. This is the train channel. We have a very short OC&T grain hopper train heading to the Oil Creek Plastics. Let's check it out. They're all in the engine now. Am I not going to get the gates in time for the first time? Probably not. Huh?
I don't think they'll need the gate for just the one.
Yeah. Yeah, there will be. There's the animal. Yeah, that's a short one today. Really short one, yeah. There's the flat car right there. Huh?
Too bad these...
WM. There's a WM. What? Right there. You're breaking the heart after the WM. Wait, I just didn't see it, huh? I love... It's right up, brother. We seen one WM yesterday. That'd be the garbage truck, and then today there was a WM. Oh wait, we might not. Oh wait, I think it looks like they're gonna disable the gates. Actually, that's rare. I know. Where's the? Oh, they are gonna disable the gates. They shouldn't need to. Like to see the gates going down, but I don't think we're not gonna see one here. Huh?
Nope.
They are disabling them, yeah. I think Jack's gonna have to. Oh, there it goes. Huh? We're gonna have Jack disable the gates here because the gates are not, because the bells and the gates are not going down. There they go. All right, we'll be back on with the next train. We're going to be getting off. Talk to you later.